Buddy, this is a real quick video. In case you have a Wyze watch 44mm and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this factory reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this watch is not working for some reason, maybe it's not responding, it's frozen, it's not connecting to the app, or it's not syncing or pairing with something, a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now, the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to delete everything off of it so that you can set this watch up as though it were a brand new watch coming out of the box. We can go ahead and do that really simply. All we need to do on this watch is press this. There's this side button here. We just need to press and hold that side button. And then just keep holding it until the watch resets. So it's a pretty long hold. And then once it resets, now it should be reset to its factory default settings. You can go ahead and set this watch up as a brand new watch.